Okay, problem number 8. An 18 kilogram box is released on a 37-degree incline and accelerates down the incline at 0.272 meters per second squared. So the acceleration is 0.272 meters per second squared. Find the friction force impeding its motion. How large is the coefficient of friction? Okay, so here we go. We have an 18 kilogram box sliding down an incline, 37-degree incline. So this force drawn here is mg, straight down. Normal force is perpendicular contact surface force, so that's equal to mg cosine theta because it's adjacent to our angle. And then the opposite side is the incline force. What's causing it to slide is the normal force plus mg, and this is the resultant of those two. The incline force is mg times sine of 37. So remembering that the net force on an incline is equal to force down the incline minus force up the incline. So the incline force is down minus the friction force, which is up. So the mass times net acceleration, which, by the way, the acceleration that was given in the problem is 0.272 meters per second squared, times 18 kilograms would give me this. Then mg sine 37 is the incline minus the friction force. So then you could solve that for the friction force because then you would know the mass and acceleration down the net acceleration. That would be equal to mg sine 37 minus friction, and then you solve that for friction. Friction then is equal to mu times the normal, and which is equal to mu times mg cosine theta, because the normal force is the adjacent side to the hypotenuse, which is mg. So the adjacent side of the normal is mg cosine 37. There you go.